Hi, this is a demo of OpenClaw. As you can see on our screen in the background, we have the CRM that we had Sarah build. And it took about 6 minutes to do it. And it's a PostgreSQL database. And she created a user interface. But I want to make some changes because we have companies, contacts, projects, but this should be tasks, not items. So I've taken a picture of the screenshot of the UI, the user interface, and I'm going to tell her to change things. Hopefully she'll understand that she's going to change the table from items to tasks. I want to get rid of like unit price, quantity, and I want the description to be bigger with a scroll bar. So let's give this a try. So you can see that Sarah, when she's typing, so we're using Telegram. It's a app you can use on your mobile device, and she's using one thing I did as a mistake is that I was using OpenAI 4.1 mini. Oh, did I just see something refresh? Oh wow, look at that. Did it just take a few seconds? You see the changes, how it's refreshing. So, and she has this term she's calling now cracking. So this is OpenAI ChatGPT 5.5 codex. So, wow. Let's see if we refresh it. She said the API... oh wait, she's still typing. So what she's doing is restarting the gateway. It's just amazing how fast it can design a user interface for a CRM, and I just can verbally tell her the changes I want. And so this will be a series of videos that I do that kind of show how I have my agentic AI agents doing different tasks, and this task is actually part of a bigger project that is creating a marketing plan for AI voice receptionists, a product that we've been building for over 2 years. And as a small company, it's difficult to get attention, but nowadays I'm seeing that just about everybody and their grandmother are into it. So let's see if we do a refresh, if she's done any work. So she's taken it offline for now to do the modifications. She also has to reset the gateway. So OpenClaw is an amazing product. It came out with very little security, and every version update had more and more security, and it basically broke the model. I found the service graph, pointing this up, interrupting. So starting the CRM with a fresh local store. And so, it's portrayed as something that's really easy to do. And in China, they even had sessions where they're teaching grandmothers to develop solutions. And it's definitely not easy. It's definitely not for non-professionals or people that have a lot of experience. And you could learn it slowly, but it's very powerful. And the future I'm seeing is because we started our company AI Agents LLC about 3 years ago. Is agents is a way to go, but you have to kind of find ways to control agents and sub-agents. And the memory systems are very important. Let's see what she says here at the end. So she's is it still crashing? Let's see what she says. Let's go back here and refresh. Oh, wow. So it takes, oh, look, she did exactly what I wanted, man. It's now changed to tasks. There's a bigger section here for description. We can select the project ID on it that's missing. I gotta tell her to fix that. But this is next level. This is where we're going to end up. So
done. Updated CRM. Items now shows as tasks. Removed quantity and unit price from tasks UI API fields. Description is full width with vertical scroll bar resizing. Removed bold styling from field labels, inputs, table text. Brand text now says projects, tasks verified, NPM test, 2 passed, NPM.
So let me say, the I'm trying to activate my dictation. So the company ID drop down and the project ID drop down don't function anymore. Could you fix that, please? Oh, by the way, you should never say please to a still recording. Okay. So you can see how I interact with it and how I can create solutions, and there's no need to actually learn programming languages, HTML. When I told it to develop this, I just had certain requirements, and I said use PostgreSQL as a database. So you build the schema, you make decisions about what software solutions to use, and most importantly, I said don't come back and ask for questions or get permissions, because she had a tendency to always ask too many questions, and that is so refreshing that these solutions are available, and we can. Oh, okay. So sorry, we're in the wrong place. So she still hasn't fixed it. Let's go. So it's running a build. So you can see line by line. Okay. Changes fixed.
I'll fix it now. Likely the dropdowns are returning string IDs while the records use numeric IDs, so selected links don't resolve reliably after the recent cleanup. Fixed. Changes. Company and project dropdowns now update state correctly. Project selection auto-fills the matching company. Tasks project dropdown filters by selected company. Labels now show company, project,
So let's see. Do I have to do a refresh maybe? Let's see. She hasn't done it, so oh, okay. So at least one company and project exists. Okay, so that's what she's saying. Okay, so interesting how it's really smart, and it's not second guesses, but like I thought, oh, the drop down's missing. Yeah, because there's no company and there's no contact, and that's why. It makes sense. So anyway, we will continue on this journey of agentic AI, and if you got any projects and you like this, and something else I did, which is kind of different, is in the contacts, I actually have something called markdown notes. So this is going to be something that's more readable to AI, because I want to be able to verbally interact with the with the contacts and keep this updated with their profile. So it'll be a large large notes of them, and be readable by AI so I can query it. Well, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.